Now, a lot of people, as you say, are going to watch this film regardless of whether you promote it or not. A lot of people are very excited. Let's hear what they have to say about it.
Hi, this is Pragya. I want to ask you two questions. One is that, is it true that you abused while shooting?
That I abused while shooting? Where did she get this from? I don't think so. I don't usually abuse a lot, but I think a little bit here and there. Everybody abuses. I mean, you would be lying if you say you don't at all. But 99.9% no. I don't.
Are you quite even-tempered when you shoot?
Yeah,
You're not one of those diva
no,
type
not
of,
at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Do you think you could ever do one of those big blockbuster films? Because you're always doing like these, you know, which are like little comedies, but they turn out to be blockbusters, or these political films. You've stopped doing any of those huge
No,
films?
there are Golmals and there's all the best which are like blockbuster films. I mean,
But I mean, like, is a Karan Johar and a Yash Raj kind of film?
it depends if somebody comes up to me with a great script which I really like, why not?
Do you avoid them or they avoid you?
I really don't know. No, not that I avoid anybody.
Who's your, actress that you'd love to work with?
I'll have to be very neutral on that.
Oh, come on, we are not into neutral.
No, but honestly, I mean, there's no a particular. I get along well with everybody, and I don't have issues with everybody, and everybody is a friend of mine.
Who is, like, out of the recent actresses that you worked with, you would actually look forward to going, my God, she's amazing, and I better be up to that mark, or something like that?
I better be up to that mark, nobody.
No, never. Okay, who do you think that I better pull her up to my mark?
All.
Love that. Love
No,
that.
I think it's teamwork. I think.
No, we are leaving it at that, Ajay.
Okay.
I love that answer.
Okay.
You are playing Karan's role from Mahabharat, and are you going to die at the end of that movie?
You're asking for too much. I mean, if I reveal this, what's going to happen to my character or to the end of the film? I think Mr. Prakash Jha is going to kill me. So.
Then he is going to die.
Yeah. So you might as well watch the film and see it for yourself.
So you are the anti-hero in the film, though.
I think in the film everybody is an anti-hero. You see, when you talk about politics, I think it's all grays.